Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term problem play. Introduction. Problem plays are a unique genre of drama that gained prominence with the works of Henrik Ibsen, the renowned Norwegian playwright. In these plays, the protagonist's situation serves as a representation of a contemporary social issue, and the dramatist endeavors to propose solutions that challenge prevailing opinions. This video will delve into the origins and characteristics of problem plays, explore their significance in addressing societal problems, and examine their evolution with references to notable works by Ibsen and George Bernard Shaw. Origins and characteristics of problem plays. Problem plays emerged during middle-class 19th century, a time of significant social and cultural change. Henrik Ibsen, often regarded as the pioneer of this genre, used his plays to shed light on pertinent issues faced by individuals and society. For instance, A Doll's House tackled the restrictive role of women in the family and their quest for autonomy and dignity. The defining characteristic of problem plays is their focus on social problems and their attempt to offer unconventional solutions. These plays employ various techniques such as characters representing the author's voice, intricate plot developments, and thought-provoking debates among characters to present the issue effectively. George Bernard Shaw's Mrs. Warren's Profession, for instance, discussed the morality of prostitution within a capitalist society. Significance of problem plays in addressing societal problems. Problem plays hold great significance in the realm of drama and social commentary. They serve as mirrors to society, reflecting its flaws and offering critiques that prompt self-reflection and change. By presenting pressing issues, these plays challenge the audience's preoccupations and stimulate discussion about social norms and conventions. Furthermore, problem plays contribute to societal progress by proposing alternative perspectives and solutions. They encourage viewers to re-evaluate their beliefs and consider different approaches to addressing complex problems. In contemporary times, numerous dramas and films continue to tackle issues like racial and ethnic relations in America, driving meaningful conversations and promoting empathy and understanding. Evolution of problem plays and the discussion play subtype. Over time, problem plays evolved into various subtypes, including the discussion play. In discussion plays, the social issue takes center stage and characters engage in prolonged debates, providing a platform for extensive exploration of the subject matter. Shaw's Getting Married and Act 3 of Man and Superman are exemplary discussion plays. Moreover, the term problem plays also finds application in Shakespeare's works such as Troilus and Cressida, Measure for Measure, and All's Well That Ends Well. These bitter comedies delve into the darker aspects of human nature and offer resolutions that may leave moral questions partially unanswered. Conclusion. Problem plays have left an indelible mark on the landscape of drama, offering a powerful means of social critique and commentary. Henrik Ibsen's pioneering works, followed by George Bernard Shaw's contributions, exemplify the genre's potency in addressing societal problems and advocating change. These plays continue to be relevant, with contemporary dramas and films perpetuating their tradition of thoughtful exploration of pressing issues. So this was the discussion on the term problem play. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.